Sa mag-asawa, meron kang sexual rights. Asawa mo eh.
So Dad, trending ngayon si Senator Robin Padilla sa mga sinabi niya sa Senate hearing tungkol sa marital consent. Kasi ang sinasabi niya, paano kung may mga pangangailangan daw yung lalaking asawa
Hindi mo naman pinipili eh kung kailan ka in heat.
at nagno-no daw yung kanyang babaeng asawa.
So paano mo masasabi yung no is no? Parang ayaw pero gusto naman.
Eh sinabi naman ni Attorney Lorna Capunan, no means no. Eh ang sinasabi naman ni Robin Padilla, eh paano naman yung mga urge? Kasi may mga urge daw ang kalalakihan, saan naman daw nila ilalabas ito? Kasi hindi naman daw sila pwede mamabae dahil hindi daw ito legal.
Babae ka na lang ba? Di kaso na naman yun. Talagang urge ang mga lalaki talaga. May urge. Talagang nandun eh.
So baka pwede naman daw mag-obey yung babae sa babaeng asawa sa kanyang asawa para ibigay yung kanyang gusto. Yung nga lang sinabi ni Attorney Lorna Capunan na according to the 1988 Family Code, wala na yung obedience na requirement no, sa batas, kundi mutual respect na daw.
Andyan ng asawa mo to serve you.
We amended the family code to remove the obligation of obedience. 1930s rin yung old civil code na yan. The wife shall obey the husband. Ngayon wala nang obey ng husband.
Okay,
so mutual
opo.
respect na ngayon.
Maraming nagalit kay Robin Padilla ng mga kababaihan at pinagbabash siya left and right sa online, ano? Kaya ngayon trending ngayon si at Senator Robin Padilla. So, what are your thoughts about this, Dad?
Number one is that women are always to be respected, no? Because that's how the society and how the community revolves, no? Dapat laging ginagalang at nirerespeto ang mga kababaihan. So, number one yun, no? Number two, dapat unawain din natin what is marriage all about, no? So, what is marriage? Marriage is about love, no? Of course, the objective of marriage as far as the church is concerned, kung ikaw ay Kristiyano o Katoliko, is for procreation, no? Ibig sabihin,
Exactly.
for procreation means gagawa kayo ng mga anak para sa ganun magpatuloy yung paglago ng pamilya at ng sambayanan o ng sangkatauhan, no? Pangatlo, syempre, pag sinabing gagawa kayo ng anak para sa sangkatauhan at yan ang purpose na galing sa Panginoon, ang ibig sabihin niya magtatalik kayo, no? Yung pagtatalik ngayon is because out of love, no? Because marriage is born out of love. Without love, what is marriage all about, no? So that has to be clarified, no? So kinakailangan may pagmamahalan. So yung sex is not a right, no? I will clarify what he said there. Siguro nagkamali siya ron, no? Sa tingin niya, pagka may marriage, meron ng right ng isang lalaki sa babae. Siguro it's more of a privilege out of mutual love and respect. So yun ang pangalawang issue doon, no? Ang pangatlo, unawain din natin kung bakit niya nasabi yon o bakit siya may mga nabanggit na ganong klaseng pag-iisip. Siguro tingnan natin, no? Kasi ang background niya, first of all, I think nag-convert na siya into a Muslim religion, no? So under kasi the Muslim religion, medyo iba yung mga patakaran nila at mga batas na sinusunod, no? So even in Saudi Arabia, pag nagpunta ka doon sa Middle East, may mga patakaran pa sila. Although unti-unti nagbago na, no? Pero may mga nadatnan ako doon, nagisnan ko doon na ang mga babae, kinakailangan lagi nakabalot, bawal silang lumabas na walang kasamang iba. Tsaka sa ibang restaurant dati sa Saudi Arabia, hiwalay pang babae sa lalaki. Ngayon, medyo nag-open up na sila, no? Bawal magmaneho ang babae, bawal magtrabaho ang babae, kundi sariling opisina nila. So, marami mga restriction against women, no? So, again, that's what the Muslims believe, no? So, that's why we're trying to understand where it's coming from. And number four, as a man, we could also somehow empathize, no, with what Robin Padilla is saying, no? What he was saying is that men have certain urges, no? So during this kind of heating period or in heat period, ano yung mga pwede nilang gawin, no? So what if the wife says no? What can he do, no? Well, siguro in general, medyo sensitive to mga topic na to, especially for the younger generation, no? So most men, what do they do? Most men, nagpaparaos sila, no? Self-gratification ang tawag doon. Some men naman will go search for other women. That's why there's prostitution around, no? Some men naman, they will try to continuously be romantic with their wife kasi women can change their mind also. Kasi ang pagkakaiba sa lalaki at sa babae, ang lalaki, pagka nag-init, talagang nag-iinit, no? Bigla-bigla minsan pag na-arouse sila, no? Ang babae naman, kinakailangan may proseso yan, no? Ang babae normally may mood yan, eh. So you have to really inspire their mood towards a romantic sentiment before they would, be more inspired to go into a kumbaga love-making process, no? So kinakailangan maintindihan natin kasi yung pagkakaiba between men and women. Although some people say that men and women are created alike or men and women are created equal. Yes, in a sense, no, they're created equal, but not in terms of physical strength, not in terms of capabilities or abilities, but in terms of rights, no, as a person, as a human, no. Kasi ang babae, pagka sinabing no, dapat respetuhin mo yung no. Di ba? Kasi ang tanong naman, may nagtanong din siya, paano kung lalaki naman ang no? Kasi ang lalaki, mahirap i-rape ng babae dahil for a man to be aroused, kinakailangan medyo tumayo o tumindig yung kanyang, kumbaga, pag-aari. No? Sa babae, kahit na no sila, o pagka pinilit, papasok talaga. No? So, may penetration na mangyayari na masasaktan yung babae. No? So, iba yung physical, kumbaga, biology o physiology ng isang lalaki at babae. That's why women normally physically are weaker than men, no? In general, so that's why the laws are also very protective of women because some men can really take advantage of women, no? So
Yes,
yun ang mga point of view dito. So yun ang sinasabi ni Senator Robin Padilla, paano naman kung nag-iinit ka, talagang kailangan mo, no? Kaya nga, katulad na nabanggit ko, marami namang options yan, no? Katulad na nabanggit, I think, ni Attorney Kapunan is that mag-Netflix ka na lang o manood ka ng TV. Pero siguro the proper word there would be, maybe you can refocus your mind, rechannel your energies to something else, pwede kang mag-exercise, or pwede kang manood ng kung anong ibang television o para reprogram mo, magbasa ka ng libro. Pero siyempre, most men cannot do that. No? That's why meron tayong tinatawag na self-gratification. No?
Exactly.
So yun yun, no? Yung nagpaparao sila ng sarili nila. Well, that is understandable. No? So yun naman ang point of view natin. Women on the other hand, siyempre kung nakita nilang yung partner nila o husband nila na mahal nila, medyo talaga nag-iinit, siguro most of the time, out of mutual respect, pinagbibigyan dapat, no? Para na sa ganun, at least yung relasyon will be there, no? Intimacy, no? Some couples naman that they do this in the US, meron silang scheduled time, so parang nakakondisyon na yung mind nila, no? Na pag ganitong oras, ganitong araw, magtatalik sila. So, wala nang pilitan yun kasi pareho na sila nakakondisyon. So, kumbaga meron silang mutual understanding na pag ganitong araw, ganitong oras, magtatalik sila. So, hindi na nagpipilitan, no? So, lahat kayo, wala ni mga sudden urges kasi nakaprograma na yung mind mo, no? Kasi mental conditioning din yan, eh.
So yun, yung pinaka-importanting lesson dito. Consent has always to be present in both parties. And definitely, it has to be from both sides and no one has to force each other. And definitely for the men, that's where it's more tricky kasi syempre mas malakas yung urge na lalaki than a female can ever be. That's why there's multiple methods of doing it, the scheduling method, and then of course the mutual respect between the man and the woman, and of course everything has to be done in proper context, diba, Dad?
Correct. Kasi nga, normally, no, even if these are very sensitive topics, no, but if you go around and you talk to mga professional people, especially mga doctors, mga psychiatrists, mga people who are experienced, they will tell you that the physiological makeup of men is different from women. No? Men normally, they desire to have sex at least once every week or twice every week or thrice every week.
More
no?
than
So
a woman.
medyo more than a woman. A woman sometimes can hang on for a longer period of time. No? Once a month, once every 3 months. They can hang on for a longer period of time because their biological makeup or physiological makeup is very different from that of a man.
Exactly.
So those are the differences, no? That people or women and men have to understand. No? So at least kung meron kayong pagkakaunawaan na ganun yung mga katayuan ng bawat isang gender, then at least it's easier for you to adjust to each other.
So yun yung mga lessons to learn namin for today. Ako nga pala si Engineer Morgan Sayang, yung coach ng bayan.
Ako naman po si Michael Say, yung dad ng bayan.